Hello everyone, I've got some rat necklaces to make today, and in a moment I will share with you some ratty stickers which I think are absolutely amazing, and some washi tape. But we'll just make the necklaces first. These are for Zazie and Mia. So let me just see which one is which, because they are both different. We're going to do Mia's first, which is this one. Remember, all the orders that we receive do go towards the animals in our care, which does include ratties. So these are very solid. They're silver plated. They're not hollow. So we'll just get a sticker. Yes, I do love those stickers. See? Got a ratty bangle as well. A dingle dingle. So we put these into a clear bag. We also put a spare chain. Then we get 2 organza bags. I must get some more. There's Mia's. Look at this lovely ratty tape. Okay, where's Mia's label? Just gonna pop the label. Okay, that's that one. That's Mia's. And then next we have Zazie. So thank you, Zazie, for your order. We really appreciate it. And here we've got stainless steel rat pendants. polish. And then we've got a 8mm, I need my pliers because these are very strong. Sometimes with these, I use this size jump ring because people have a heart or a birthstone, but this is just a plain one today. So that's that one. Just get a label. Jessica May. Just my daughter. Pop it in a bag. Spare necklace. Into an organza bag. And into a pink bag with the order. These just say thank you. It's a rainbow. Okay, so pop that one in there. Pop the label on. Okay, so let me show you these stickers. Aren't they fab? And here's the washi tape. All designed and made by drixproductions.com, which I'll link below for you. And they're on Facebook, Instagram, Etsy. They're absolutely amazing. So if you want to grab yourself some stickers, pop on over. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.